Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th, Subject English, Lesson number 5, the 12 months. So students, the page that is on your right hand side is of your workbook. So this lesson is on page number 15 of your English workbook. And this page that is on your left hand side, this is your textbook page. So this lesson is on page number 8 of your English textbook. Lesson number 5, the 12 months. So these are the meanings which we learned in this lesson. Let us start with summative evaluation, written practice classwork homework, assignment 1. So students, this passage starts from here, that is from page number 8, then page number 9 and ends on page number 10, this line, that is merrily home. Question number 1. Write the words that combine to make each of the following words. Then write other meaningful words that begin and with A, the first word in each, and B, the second word in each. Now, the words are given here. And now here we have to write two words used. So which are the two words used here? The first is step and the second is mother. So step plus mother, stepmother. Now, with first word. Now we have to make another word with first word. Now which is the first word here? It is step. So we can make step daughter. Now we have to make word with second word. So which is the second word? It is mother. So we can write motherhood. Second, footprint. Now which are the two words here? Foot plus print. So first word is foot now. So footstep. And which is the second word? Print. So print out. Next is Snow White. So what are those two words? Snow plus white. Now with first word. So first word is snow. So snowman. And which is the second word? White. So it will be white-haired. Next, gentle-hearted. Gentle plus hearted. Now first word is gentle. So gentleman. Second is hearted. So lion-hearted. Next, springtime. So spring plus time. The next will be first word is spring. So spring cleaning. And next is time. So it can be timetable. Question number 2. Write the answers to the following questions. Question number 1. Why did Merukla's stepmother hate her? So this answer is on page number 8 of your English textbook, that is first paragraph. So now look at the answer. The answer is here. She hated her stepdaughter. The only reason was that Merokula, the stepdaughter, was prettier than her own daughter, Helena. So let us write the answer in complete sentence. Merokula's stepmother hated her because she was prettier than her own daughter, Helena. Question number 2. In what season does the story takes place? So the answer is on page number 8 of your English textbook, and that is third paragraph. So it is here, they envied her so much that one day they decided to throw her out in the freezing cold to get rid of her. So in the freezing cold, so it means that the story takes place in winter season. Question number 3. What did Helena do when Merokla was working? So this answer is on page number 8 that is third paragraph. She liked work and she did it all without a word of complaint, while Helena spent the time adorning herself and lazing about. So let us write the answer in complete sentence. When Mirocla was working, Helena adorned herself and lazed about. Question number 3. Give the meanings of the following words. First, adorning. So we learned the meaning in the lesson. It was making something more beautiful. Second, ranted. So it was here. I told you one N was missing. So the correct spelling is here and the meaning was talked loudly and angrily. Third, abused. So abused is here and the meaning is treated cruelly. Question number 4. Find 5 nouns from the passage. So from this passage, we have to find 5 nouns. So let us look here. So now here, country is a noun. So country. Now mother is also noun. So write mother. Then daughters is also noun. So daughters. Now let us find noun in another paragraph. This paragraph is also on page number 8 of your English textbook. So let us take next, that is forest. So write forest. And another can be Helena. So write Helena. So next, open-ended question. Describe the springtime with the help of the story. So student, this question is for homework. And you have to describe the springtime with the help of the story. So in the story, in this paragraph, we learned about the springtime. So you have to describe the springtime here. So this question is for homework. Assignment 2. So the second passage starts from page number 10, that is from here, and ends on page number 11, that is here. Question number 1. Write the answers to the following questions. First, does Mirocla get any of the violets she brings? So this answer is on page number 10 of your English textbook and the answer is here. Helena snatched all the flowers and did not give even a single one to her sister. So let us write the answer in complete sentence. No, Mirocla does not get any of the violets she brings. Question number 2. Which of the 12 months spoke to Mirocla? So in this passage, which 2 of the 12 months spoke to Mirocla? That was first, the great January and June. So let us write the answer. January and June spoke to Mirocla. Question number 2 is for homework. So students, you have to do similarly how we did in the first question. So this question is for homework. Question number 3, find 5 nouns from the passage. So let us take this passage that is on page number 10 of your English textbook. So the first one, let us take violets. So write violets. Now next take brother. So write brother. Then seed, seed. Now next take blossom. So write blossoms. Then carpet, right? Carpets. Question number 4. Give the meanings of the following words. So first is starlets. So the meaning is small stars. Then snatched means took or pulled something away quickly. Open-ended question. Describe the summer with the help of the story. So this question is for homework. Assignment 3. So assignment 3 passage starts from here. That is from page number 11 and ends on page number 12. That is the last line, merrily home. Question number 1. Write the answers to the following questions. Question number 1. What did Helena want Mirocla to get from the forest for her? So the answer is on page number 11. On the third day, Helena ordered Mirocla to go into the forest and get some red apples. So she wanted red apples. So let us write the answer. Helena wanted Mirocla to get red apples from the forest for her. Next question. Does Mirocla get any of the strawberries she bring? So we know the answer is no. But here in this, the answer is Helena took all strawberries and ate them all up with her mother. She didn't leave even a single one for Mirocla. So the answer is no. Mirocla does not get any of the strawberries she brings. Next question. Which months helped Mirocla? So January and September helped Mirocla. Question number 2. Find 5 nouns from the passage. So this question is for homework. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with correct adjectives from the extract. So first one is dash mountains. So let us find the adjective. So it will be high mountains. So high mountains. Second, dash apples. So what will be the correct adjectives? It will be red apples. Third, dash fire. So it will be big fire. Big. And dash wind. So it will be cold wind. So cold. Assignment 4. So the passage starts from page number 12, that is from Helena and the stepmother, and ends on page number 13, that is last line, home sadly. Question number 1. Write the answers to the following questions. First, does Mirocla get any of the apples she brings? So from this line, we came to know that Helena ate the apple. And from this line, we came to know that stepmother also ate the apples, which means no, Mirocla does not get any of the apples she brings. Now next question. Why do Helena and her mother go out in the snow themselves? So the answer is here in this paragraph. So let us write the answer in complete sentence. Helena thinks that Mirocla had eaten some apples on her way home and would do so again if she was sent out once more. So Helena and her mother go out in the snow themselves to find the place and shake down the apples from the tree. Next question. Why is Great January annoyed with Helena and her mother? Does he help them? So the answer is here. We learned what had happened at that time in the story. So let us write the answer. The 12 months were sitting around a big fire. Helena and her mother stepped up to the fire and stretched out their hands to warm them without asking the permission or speaking to a one polite word. When Great January asked them what they wanted, Helena called him an old fool and asked him why he wanted to know this. Helena's mother told him that it was no business of his. Seeing their behavior and speech, Great January was annoyed with them, and no, he does not help them. Question number 2. Give the meanings of the following words. So the first one is delicious. So we know the meaning, that is with a pleasant taste, tasty. Next, harshly, rudely or unkindly. Find 5 nouns from the passage is for homework. Fourth, form nouns from the following words. So first one is deep. So what will be the noun form? It will be depth. Polite will be politeness. Angry, what will be the noun form? It will be anger. Happy, happiness. Dark, darkness. And inherited, inheritance. Next, first one, open-ended question. Describe the winter with the help of this story. So this question is for homework. Second, why do you think the months helped Mirocla to get the desired things and did not help the stepmother and stepsister? So this question is also for homework. You have to write this answer on your own. Question number 2. Complete the table given below using the information in the story. So now first is things Mirocla has to get. So now here, which was the first thing Mirocula has to get? You have to write here, and who gave her, which month that is, and which was the season, and then did Mirocula find any of it, and could she enjoy it? So this question is for homework.